welcome back to Little Mystic channel. First of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to my amazing 200 subscribers. God bless you all. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a bread bowl. Here are the things I'll be using. I've got two different types of fabric. I've got my hot glue gun. I've got my lace trimming. I've got my fancy buttons. I've got my pair of scissors. I've got my sewing machine. Got my pin cushion, and I've got my measuring tape. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to measure 14 inches by 14 inches while the two materials are placed on each other. Now it is time to cut. Here, the two materials have been cut out in form of squares. I also got a plain fabric. I ironed an interfacing on one side. I will be sewing it in between the two materials to give my bread bowl a bit of structure. Sewn all three together here and left a 2-inch space to be able to turn it out. Now it's time to turn it out. I've turned it out from this space and I've gone ahead to give it a good press. The next thing I'm going to do is to attach my lace trim. I've just used the pins to hold the lace trimming in place before sewing. Now I am going to bring out my fancy buttons to be placed on my project. I am trying to select my favorite color buttons. Pink, yellow, green, and blue. as I do the final steps of my bread bowl. I'm going to sew along these lines.
This is what it looks like after sewing the first 2 corners and then the other 2 corners of the bread bowl. I was so thrilled to see the beauty of the outcome. I love everything about this bread bowl. The colors of materials used, the edges of the bread bowl with the lace trimming, and the final shape of the bread bowl. I went ahead to arrange the croissants into the bread bowl one after the other. It's so satisfying and I love it so much. Just see the way I'm turning it around to admire it. I am so happy. Will you also be trying this useful item for your snacks? Kindly let me know in the comments section. Also, the photos of the triangular edges after I decided to glue it down is being displayed, and I like the outcome as well.